Hi, in front of me I have FITBIT Charge 5 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on the water lock mode on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our smartband. To do it, simply double tap on the screen, like this. After you wake up the screen, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick settings, and here scroll up by swiping down on the screen, like this. Find the option called water lock, right here, and tap on it. And now to turn on the water lock mode, we need to double tap on the screen firmly. So quite hard basically. So let's try. It might take you a couple of tries before you get used to it. Oh, like this. And now, as you can see, it says locked, and we have water locked, and it says double tap to unlock. What the water lock mode does is basically it prevents mistouches on your screen while you're in the water. So if you're taking a shower or swimming, it won't do anything to your screen. You won't have any mistouches, so you won't be moving around on your band, because it could be kind of annoying if you enter the shower and, for example, it goes through the different options or modes and changes some settings and stuff like that, because it can happen. That's why you have the water lock mode. Okay, and to disable it, simply double tap on the screen to wake it up, and then firmly double tap on the screen to disable it. So, oh, this time I got it. And it says unlocked. You don't have this text right here anymore. That means that the water lock mode is disabled. And that's how you enable the water lock mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.